Mistplay does not use a fixed public conversion rate that applies across all users and all gift cards, because unit requirements for Amazon rewards can change based on region, availability, and reward tier inside the app. By the end, you'll understand how Mistplay units work, how Amazon gift card redemptions are structured, and how to check the exact unit requirement inside your app without guessing. Start with a key system detail. Mistplay units are a reward currency that you earn by playing mobile games through the app. Those units are then exchanged for gift cards, including Amazon. Now explain the important limitation. The number of units needed for an Amazon gift card is not the same for every user at all times. Now explain what controls it. Mistplay adjusts reward costs based on gift card value, region, and current in-app availability. Now explain where people usually get confused. A lot of users try to find a universal units to Amazon dollar conversion, but Mistplay does not publish a stable fixed rate. Now, explain the correct way to check it. Open the Mistplay app and go directly to the rewards or gift card section. Now explain what to look for. Each Amazon gift card option will show the exact number of units required before you redeem it. Now explain a common misunderstanding. Higher value Amazon cards require more units, but they often scale more efficiently than smaller redemptions. Now, explain earning context. Units are earned through gameplay sessions that are tracked inside Mistplay, not from outside gaming activity. Now explain why requirements matter. Because unit requirements can change, the only accurate number is always the one shown in your current rewards screen. Now explain how to avoid confusion. If you see different unit values online, they may be outdated or based on different regions or app versions. Now summarize the core idea. Mistplay does not have one fixed unit to Amazon conversion rate because reward costs change based on region and availability. The exact number of units needed is always shown inside the current gift card listing in your app. And the only reliable source for accurate redemption cost is the Mistplay rewards section itself. One practical next step. Open Mistplay, go to rewards, and check the Amazon gift card option to see your exact unit requirement before you start grinding. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides that explain how the system actually works without guesswork.